EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and Robotics Solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create the Magic Jukebox using Magic Board. For this experiment, we will require a Magic Board with USB Type-C cable, 4 push buttons, 4 resistors, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Step 1. Take your breadboard and place 4 push buttons on it as shown here. Step 2. Place the resistors on the breadboard in such a way that one end of it should be connected to the terminal of each push button and the other end to the negative power rail of the breadboard. Step 3. Connect the power rails of the breadboard to the 5-volt and ground pins on the Magic Board to supply the power. Step 4. Connect one terminal of each push button to the signal pins IO7, IO8, IO9, and IO10. Step 5. Connect the other terminal of the push buttons to the positive power rail of the breadboard. Step 6. Power the Magic Board using the USB Type-C cable and connect it to the computer. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Magic Board. You can download the code from the official website displayed on the screen or from the description. Once the code is ready, upload it to the Magic Board. The output shall look like this.